So a lot of clients end up asking me, Jimmy, why did I have to switch lawyers? I started with this firm and now I end up with you. It's a confusing process, and I get it. So what we need to do is we need to step back. Let's start at the beginning. In the beginning, you had the car wreck. You got into treatment. Once you were done with treatment, the firm that you signed up with got your records, bills, police report, photographs, all the stuff that they could get their hands on, and they sent it off to the insurance company. And the insurance company evaluated it, and they're gonna do one of three things. First, they're gonna pay the claim exactly as the prior firm asked. And that's great because we take the money, we divvy it out, you ride off into the sunset, and we move on to the next case. That's a really good day. Well, obviously that didn't happen. So option two is the insurance company could review that demand and they could deny liability. They could say it's your fault, it's somebody else's fault, it's not our fault, but either way, we're not gonna pay anybody anything. Well, that may not have happened either, or option three could have occurred. Option three is where the insurance company gives us a low offer. They say, well, you may think the case is worth X number of dollars, but we think it's worth significantly less. Well, once the insurance company makes that decision, there's not a lot we can do to change their opinion because they're set at their limit. Well, we obviously want to go up to a higher level adjuster, a higher level manager. But it's not like I can just pick up the phone and say, hey, insurance company, send me to an adjuster that's gonna pay more money, that's gonna take more money out of your pocket, your employees, your shareholders. So in order to get to that higher level, we need to file a lawsuit. And a lot of the law firms across the state of Georgia, they're pretty good at that first part, what we call pre-litigation. But when it comes to that next phase of litigation, there's a lot more work for the client, there's a lot more work for the law firm. So what they do is they use other firms like my firm. My firm, Georgia Trial Attorneys, we are kind of like litigation experts. It's what we do all day, every day, is we litigate cases. And word's gotten out with the insurance companies and with other firms across the state. So what these firms do is they bring us in. They don't just kick the case to me, they actually do what we call associate. I've been associated onto your prior firm's contract, but I'm gonna be the one that's gonna finish it out, and until we get to the end, you're gonna be stuck with me, but it's gonna be a good thing. Ultimately, I hope this has been helpful. My job as your attorney and the owner of this firm is to make sure that you are taken care of because you are important to me. You are important to this firm. So if you have questions, if you have comments, if you have concerns, I want to hear them. We want to hear them because we're all on the same page. So if you need anything, do not hesitate to reach out and give us a call.